So this is Pipedrive now. Say Pipedrive is a what? It's a multinational cloud-based software as a service. This one is what? Say it's a now this one is a SaaS, okay? SaaS. Let me show you what I mean by that. So sometimes if you're in cloud now, you'll be hearing things like SaaS. This is SaaS, okay, which is what? Software as a service. We also have PaaS, which is what? P what? S, which is what? Platform as a service. We also have IaaC, which is what? Infrastructure as a code. This one is if you are not into cloud, you'll be learning about this one. As far as you're not into cloud, this one I'm just giving you small akara. Okay. So we are not saying that what now that this Pipedrive now is a what? It's a SaaS company that came from where? Estonia. Okay. And they have not developed into a what? Into a web application and mobile app platform, and can be used for what? Can be used for things like management of leads and what? Tracking of what? Sales activities, and also what? To close more deals. So you see now, this means that what that Pipedrive can help you to what? To manage your small business, to generate leads, and then to track your sales in your business. I hope this one is not hard now. Wetin dis one mean now be say Pipedrive now na like dat your small business book wey you dey write everything wey you dey do for your business, wey be say if Michael today came and say madam Linkedin say do you have I mean do you have stock fish, the one that is like maybe as tall as myself? He say no. You now do go, in fact you now go and do what? You now say okay, don't worry, I will go to market tomorrow, I will buy it, so give me your name and your number, so if I buy it I will come and call you to come and like to carry it. Then you now take my number, say okay, my name is Michael Schofield. You now take my phone number and my email, and then you now write inside your inside your business book now. Then when you now get that stockfish now, you now come and call me, hello, Mr. Michael. You came to my shop the other day and you wanted to buy a stockfish that is that huge. I say yes, ma'am. Please, I don't buy and come, I come collect them. I will say how much. You say okay. It is actually like 10,500. I say okay, no problem. I'll come and collect it. What have you done? When I came initially, you didn't have it now, but then you took my number because I was a lead. I was a lead because I was interested in what? In buying something that you know that you are not I mean you are supposed to be selling. Okay. Now you took my number and then you now store it in your what? In your record book or in your business book where you normally save your what? Your business contacts. Okay. Then you now say, okay, tomorrow when I get this business, I'm going to call this guy to come and buy it. So you have now done what? You have now managed me because you have actually done what? You've actually managed me as a lead in your record book. Then you have also what? Tracked that sales to ensure that what? That sale actually what? Came into a what? Into a deal when I now come to carry it and pay you my 10,500. That is what we are doing here today now. So don't think all this grammar that we are speaking here. In fact, it has what? Practical applications in real life. Some of you are already doing this every day, but you just didn't know that that's what they call it. Okay? This thing works in practical sense. Now, so I'm going to open this one now. The only thing I will not do is that I'm not going to create an account because I've already created an account here. So I will just go straight to the point and save time. Okay. So you see now this time I'm already logged in. I'll just log in again and I'll continue. Okay. So I'm now here now. If you want to watch the video on how to create accounts, I've already done it before now. You don't have to worry about that one. That one is already, I think it's already on the channel. So you can also go there and watch it. I think I did that one earlier today. So now this is now our Pipedrive environment. You can see that this is Pipedrive now. Equi this a lot of justice to this thing today. So here now we have our search here. You can see that we can even search everything here, right? You can search roofing, sheets, blah blah blah. I think I did all these ones earlier today as what? As products. Who carry picking come here? So let me mute everybody. But on you enjoy. I'm sharing no. I'm sharing my screen. Now you no get network, okay? Don't be offended, eh? So now this is our environment on what? On Pipedrive now. So this is our sales assistant, which is actually helping us to what? To make sales quicker. Then this is our help if you want to go to the academy and community, all those stuff here. Then this is our apps here or our marketplace, right? I think we already know what we use this one for, so that will not be I mean not be something that we know they use to again. So we are, see at this point now, we are no longer babies. We are now matured here because our class has like 6 classes, maybe 5 classes just to end. So we are now matured here. So that's why I'm not going to be waiting all this time, all this thing. It's not like you people are now in 400 level, okay? So just your project and then you are now graduate, okay? Are you a graduate? You say yes, sir. Are you a graduate? You say yes, sir. So now the first thing I want to talk about here is what? Ignore this place here that it says guide setup or setup guide. This one is nothing that should worry you. That should worry you a lot of time now. So as far as you are here now, you do what? Go to this place that they said lead here. See this lead here? This way you're not going to what? Be getting your lead here. Okay? This way you're going to be getting your lead. So to do that now, I think I'm going to install a web chat. A live chat so that I can actually do what? Actually show you guys how to actually get all these things here. Now on this lead here now, it's all about showing you guys the various ways to what? To generate leads for your business. Okay, now your lead can come as what? Through your lead inbox. This your lead inbox is where you're managing your chat from your different people that are coming to your business now. Then you see where we have live chat here. The live chat is what you're actually going to what? Install on your website that you're using for your business. And then from there, they can be seeing your customers when they come to you like that. You'll be seeing their chat and all of that. Then we now have chatbots now. You see, we have chatbots here, then we have live chats here. Now they are not the same thing. Chatbots now, okay, will be acting like somebody, responding to your customers as they are coming to, give you their inquiries. Don't forget that it's a bot. But then live chat is what? Is like you having that person that can actually go there to chat with somebody that is trying to like make a request. For instance, if I come to MTN website, look at my MTN website now. If I come here now, let me show you something on there. You see, if I come here now to my MTN website now, no, mtn.ng. Yes. So here now, I can do what? Now I can go to their live chat here. It's here at the bottom. Can you see it here at the bottom? This is their what? This is their live chat now. Okay, they have live chat here. Then they also have chatbots here. It all depends on what you want to do. So if I say start the conversation now, it will tell me what the chatbot will what? It will be the one that will be talking to me now. I think they call it Lizzie. What did they call her? I don't know. Okay, so if I say what, you see now, I'll be what? Getting help from here, from the chatbots here. Nobody's there yet too. So it's not become a live chat when somebody from MTN now start what? Responding to me as a human being. But as far as that thing that is there is a robot, it will be acting as a what? As a chat bot. Okay, because it has been programmed to what? To respond to you according to your what? Your input. So we are going to do this one today now. So stay in the class, don't go. Stay to the end of the class, please. I'm not going to rush it. I will take it one step at a time. Okay. So this is not how it works. It will work. So if I do this one now, if I say menu now, the bot will be replying me now. Can you see? It now give me options here. Can you see what the bot is doing? It will be giving me options here. If I say assist now, or okay, let me even say airtime. You see now, it will also ask me something now. Can you see? It's asking me, say, okay, you want to buy airtime, check airtime, abi extra time. If I say, okay, let me say buy airtime. So what will happen now? You say, okay, I'll say buy airtime. So what will happen now? You see now, it will respond to me and say, okay, I should enter my number. This is a chat bot. There's nobody here at the moment. This one is a what? It's a chat bot because it's an automated machine, or let me just say a computer that is what? Answering me here based on what they have programmed me to what? To respond me to, or to respond, to me based on what I'm entering here now as what? As buy airtime. If I go and say, okay, maybe share airtime, it will not ask me to put my number here to tell me a different thing now. That is how you use your what? Your chatbot. So that is just trying to what? Explain how chatbot and live chat, works like. Your live chat can be found in maybe like for instance, if you wanted to like chat somebody in another country, that one is actually a what? It's a live chat. Now maybe you and somebody are chatting on Facebook, on Facebook Messenger. Sometimes too, you can actually chat your bank through Facebook Messenger, right? Sometimes also you can even chat I think okay, like people like me now. Sometimes I used to drag MTN a lot on my Twitter. So maybe the day I paid it now, maybe they did not give me my I didn't get my good network. I'll go and bombard them on what? On Twitter. So they will not start chatting me on what? On live chat using my what? My Twitter inbox. That is how it works. Okay. They will not have what? Web form. So this web form now the same thing with the Google form we feel yesterday. It's only saying now here now they call on web form for here. Now the same thing. So don't get confused. Okay, I think I've already shared the link on how to go and create your Google form. If you don't know how to do it, you can use it. Then also, we also created a form when we did our Mando.com, right? So we also created a form when we were doing our hotspots. So don't forget that we have done it before. So It's just only that they put all this web here now. That's what will confuse you, but don't panic. Now the same thing. Okay. Then we have what prospector. Prospector is like what? It's like pipe drives. What pipe drive feature that allow you to what to find people for your business. Okay. Okay, to find people for your business, you can even come here to what to click on it now to what to activate it. But I think it is actually something that will charge you some money. You see now they say well starting from 39 per company, blah blah blah. I don't get that money to pay them, so I will just leave it aside and let it be like that. Okay. Then this is your what your web visitors. This one now add on. So this one means that what that under your business website, you can actually go and do what now? You can actually integrate this your what your website visitor what tracker. Do you know that people was teaching us about G4 the other day, Google Analytics? I think maybe like if we have some more time today, I can actually show you guys how that one works. Okay, then that is what you can use to what to measure these ones here. So as people are coming to your website now, okay, now as I'm here now, okay, on to your website now. If I want to see what they are, whether they even have it, I'll do what I'll do Control U to check whether they even have this in here. Let me check and find analytics, see if it is existing. Hey, I think they have it too. Let me see whether they have it. I think they have it here. Let me see. You see it now, they have it here. It's there on their website. Can you see they have it here? So they're actually tracking me to know what I came there for and know what I'm doing there. That's what they are. So that's how you work. You can actually find them using like this now. Okay, so they have it installed. So most websites have their what have their analytics code was running on their site. So as you are coming in there now, they'll be checking what you're doing. In fact, they'll be seeing how you came into the site, how long you are staying there, and how many minutes you stayed before you left, and then the page that you actually visited, they'll be seeing you like me now on my own website. I have it there. When you come to my site, I know where you came from. I know the country that you came from. I even know the phone that you are using. I know the company that gave you the network that you're using to browse. I will be able to see all those things. I know what you viewed on my site. I know what you did on my site before you left. So that is why you use all this website, all this tracker here for. Okay, so don't be thinking that it's something that will be integrated. This one, it shouldn't be. So then we have what? We have messaging here. Can you see messaging? So as you're now having all these your chats here, all these your chatbots here, you'll be seeing them in your what here. However, you can still integrate what messenger to your what to your business. So that is just what this one here means. Then we can now go to our deal now. Your deal now is where you can do what? Where you can actually do what? Create deals that you are going to be having in your what for your business. Okay. So maybe for instance, you and person now don't discuss, okay, Oga, my company is Otanwa PLC and we are into construction of what? Of buildings. So you say you wanted to build a 3-bedroom flat, or let me say 2-bedroom bungalow, and we are coming to do what? To come and just come and see your site and then do what now? Give you our what? Our quotation. So you now go to the person's house and you now discuss, okay, sir, we are going to agree on maybe 2.5 billion. So when you now finish and you now do what I say, okay, don't worry, sir, I'm going to send you the our deal to confirm in the next 3 days. You can now come back to your pipe drive and do what? And create a deal. Can you see the deal here? Click on this deal now and then do what? Enter the deal detail here. Just put the person's name, maybe now Chief say Chief Amuneke. Okay, that could be his name. And then where does he work? You can say, okay, maybe he works in what? Maybe say Amuneke Consult. Amuneke Consult is his company name. Then, of course, you can now put how much is that your deal now. What is it going to be in dollars? Or be in naira? You can come and put what? You can come and put naira. Maybe you can say, okay, of course we're in Nigeria, so they say we should not be doing anything with dollars. So you can say, okay, 2.1, 2.2 billion, right? So you can say 2 billion 200 what million, like that, right? So we can now put, okay, this one is in naira now. Then this one now is where you now specify the company now. Okay, this person now, this Chief Amuneke now. Have I met him before? I can say, okay, yes, contact made. Then do I know what he has? Okay, do I know what he wants? I will say yes. Then have we given him an estimate? You say yes. Then have we made him a proposal? You say yes. Okay, also have we also negotiated with him? You say yes. If you have not, what do you do? Just simply stop on the one that you are, that you are what that you have done with him. Maybe you have actually maybe contact him. Can stop here. Okay. Then you see now we have label here, right? So I can create a new label here. Say, okay, and come and say, okay, maybe hot lead. Okay, then I'll say, okay, save now. So I can say that it's a hot lead here. I can even say maybe if it's actually maybe an inactive customer, I can say, okay, inactive lead, right? I can do what? I can say, okay, save, right? So I can now do what? Update it accordingly, right? Then you can see now When are we to close this deal now? That's okay. This deal should be closing in the next, maybe let us say in the next 2 months. We can come here and say, okay, on the 3rd of what? June, we are closing the date. Then who owns this deal? Now the deal is owned by the what? The person that brought this customer into this our business now. Can select that person from here. Okay. Then the deal source now. Where did this person get to know about Ottawa, PAC? You need to select it. So if the person came to you from your website, you can select what? Your website here. You can see web visitor. If the person actually came to your live chat, you can do what? Select your chat bot or live chat here. The person actually came from your campaign, maybe a social media campaign, you can do what? You can select that here as what? As campaign here. Okay, so let me just select campaign here. Then I can now do what? I can also, okay, here is your what? It's your source ID. Okay, but we don't want to worry about that one. And then you can now here to put what? The man's number. Maybe his phone number is what? You can put his phone number here. You can put anything there. I don't know, but just put his phone number. If you have any phone number there, then I can put your email address here. Then after which you now do what? Click on save, and you are good. So you can see that the man now is here as what? As my deal. You see now, this one is him. Amuneke Consult, right? I can put what? I can put him here. If I say, okay, we have not defined our what? Our needs, then if I've not given him a estimate, I can now drag it up to this part. Then if I've given him a proposal, I can put it here. If I've given him a negotiation, we can do what? Bring it here now. So this is just how this whole thing here works, guys. So it's not really that hard. When you now say that the man is actually qualified, you do what? Can drag him up here. Say, okay, he's qualified. So it's not hard, guys. So this now is our what is our project on Pipedrive. So like I said now, the project actually is going to be like what we did in our Trello, just that it's not going to be doing, to do, doing and done. This one is what? The kickoff, planning, implementation, review, and what? Closing. That's what this one here is going to be like. So that's just the only different thing here now. Okay, so I'll just say, okay, continue with this one now, and then do what? I say continue now. Then here, oh, see, they want to even build me again. So they want to build me. Let me say activate and see whether they are going to, which card they want to build now. I don't have card they are going to build, except I put my card inside. I know they put card. So we are going to skip this part now because, they're looking for our throats. Next is what? Our campaign. Now, you cannot be in this my class and say that you don't know what campaign is for. If you try and say. Do we not know what campaign is? Our campaign now. So like I've said now, our campaign is something that we've been doing since the days of HubSpot. We did on HubSpot, we did on Apollo, Lemlist, and the rest of them. So this will not be something that's very difficult for us now. So this will not be hard something. Your campaign should what? Get started here, and then do what now? You can start here. You see now, this is our campaign. And they say, bring marketing and sales under one roof with what? The campaign add-on. So you can do what now? Start your trial. So they're still going to ask me for money. So we'll bless they like money pass me. So I'll do what? Confirm and what? Start trial here. I'll do what? Click on this now. Let us see whether they're going to bill us. If they bill me, I go run. No. I think they're going to allow us. Okay. We are going to be careful here. So this is now what? Our kind of campaign now. And we can do what? We can also, okay, let us start with what? With email campaign. Now let me start with this one, email campaign now. And here now, I can now do what? I can now start by what? By creating my what? My campaign. I can even title it something. I can say, okay, let me title it and say, title should be what? Should be maybe, let's call it Christmas what? Christmas campaign. Somebody was thinking I would use Ottawa today. I don't want to use Ottawa today. So I'll do what? I'll title it what? Christmas campaign. Then I'll ask, okay, who do I want to send it to? I have to specify it here, right? So I can do what? I can say, okay, let me now use somebody here to send it out. So, okay, let me click here. But I don't have any contacts now, right? So I can't do this one. So it's okay, from who? So this one now is going to be your profile that you're using to what? To send the mail, right? Then security is what? 2FA should be activated and so on and so forth. So for me now, I think I can actually say, okay, go to contacts. The contact, I don't even have it much. I only have just some random ones here. So imagine I want to, so I'll just, okay, let me select all these ones here and do what? And add them to the what? To the campaign. Now, from my experience, when I did this one the last class, the last session, it still did not work. Oh. So I know that it will not really work. So I have to go back again. It's only when I now have you people's contact that I can now say, let me do it, and it will now work for me. So I'll just go back here and do what? Just explain it, and then we'll leave it like that. So For this email campaign now, we have what they call what templates. See that we have automated templates here. I mean, we have automated campaigns here, right? So you can even check them out to see what they are like. Okay, so you can retry, check if it will work. I think it will work now. You can see now we have actually what we have our campaign, automated campaigns here. So you can do what, try them out to see. You can create a campaign to see how it will what to look like. So the same thing actually happens. It took us back to that same place here. They will not have templates here. Your template that I will repeat now is more like your what, like your recipe, or maybe like your what, like your architecture to achieve your what, your template. So these ones are what are predefined emails that you just have to what pick up and edit or modify to suit what you want to do. So I can say, okay, let me check what the templates and see what they now have. You cannot say that we have different templates here, right? This one is for what? Is for app. So if you wanted to like advertise maybe an application, you can use this one now, right? This one is for what? It's for a blog. This one is for maybe for an event invite. Maybe like wanted to do an event now, don't, and then I wanted to like invite your members. Can you what? Use this one here. This one is for what? An ebook. So if you wanted them to come and download your ebook, can do what? Can click on this one. This one is your what? Is maybe you can see that we have them so many here. We even have newsletter here. So these are all different kind of what of email templates. So if you want to use anyone, you do what now? Just click on it. You see now where they say select layout, I will click on this now and I will now what be able to edit it to the what I want to what to do with it. So maybe now I want to work with this one. I will click on it now and it will now load up here for me to be able to modify it and then use it for my stuff. You see now this is for what? For cookies business. For cookies business. You see now, so if you have a cookies business now that you want to like maybe make others to come and buy your biscuit, they can do what now? Modify this one, put your cookies logo here. Then this one now can be your what? Maybe your signature product. Maybe your, somebody can say I have ginger cookies. You can put it here. Then you can now change all this right in here to match what you want to do now. And then you can now deliver that to your customers, right? That is how this one works. So let me just get this one out to what to add to my site. I think I will even work with this one. This one actually looks cute. I can pick it up to add it there, and it will be cool. Okay. Hey, see now we have so many cookies here. Let me pick this one now and do what and save it. I will say save it as. Okay, we don't work with that one. I'll call it cookies. Cookies dot what dot jpg. Okay, so we're going to now come here to what to replace this one here with that. So I'll click on this now. You see, I click on it now. Now see what will happen now. I think at this point now it will come to this other part here. Okay, you can even pick the file here, but then the file must have been in your what in your stuff. If you don't have it, you can actually do what you can actually pick the image from here to add it up. So I can just say, okay, let me pick the image. I'll upload the image from here. This image I want to upload now. Do what? Click on open, and it will enter the what the system. That is just how it works. Okay, it's not magic. Okay, so let me see. Where is it now? You know, enter. Network don't come out. Wait, okay, you come on, network. So I don't know. Are you sure I'm still connected? Okay, I'm still connected here. So you can see now. I will now try to like pick. I think this one just change everything. Let me go back again and start afresh. Let us see what we are doing now. So I had some templates here. I will go back and try to see it one more time. Let me see email campaigns now. I think I was working with this one here, right? So I'll go and do what? Edit it now to see how it works. I'll open it again and continue in it. So that kind of stuff. So this is just how it actually works. Once you pick a template, you can do what? You can actually do what? You can actually modify it to suit what you are, you know, working on. So that when you now want to like start sending out, now you can now just pick it and what and send. Okay, so the thing is that when you start doing all these things one by one, you see that within 2 hours, don't do all these things. It's not that difficult. So we were here now, and I was trying to change this logo here. So I'll say you can click here now to do what now? Click on here to click on change image, and here now I cannot do what upload. Then I came to my cookies here, selected it, and do what? Click on open, and it will be uploaded here. It says files were not the files in supported format. Okay. Size limit is 25 megabytes. That one, I saw that one big. This is a 7.1 kilobyte. Now why not go enter? Okay, let me look for another logo, or let me look for another cookies and use. So I'll go to cookies here. Let's see. Cookies image, and okay, let me use a, you know, a real life cookies in it. Real life cookies. So I think I'll use any of this one here. Let me use this one and see. Okay, load up, load up, load up, load up. So this one now is my cookies. I want to use this one now. So I'll just do what? I'll come and click it up. Or let me even save it. Yes, let me use my sniping tool to get it now. Okay. I don't want to waste more time. Yes, I'll just come here now. I can even zoom out this screen. I'll zoom it out to make it smaller in it. Okay, now it's smaller. So let me get my screen too. Drag this over here. Use it again. And then pick it up from here. Can you see now? Then leave it and then come here and save it as what? As cookies. Cookies 101, right? I can now do what? Save. Then I can now come back to my what now? I can now come back to my Pipedrive and do what now? And upload it once again. Click here to select it and do what? Click on open. At this, I think this time you should be able to enter. So I think it already enter now. I think we have it here already. Look at it here. It's coming. So this is our biscuit now. Can I do what? Put it there as our logo now. Can you now see? It will come up here now. So I can now do what? I can now change or change the sizing, make it smaller. Okay, I can make it smaller like this. See now? I even make it smaller. And this is just how this whole thing here works, guys. So it's not really that, this is not really the hard. If you start working with it, you see say actually it's one of the simplest things to do. As a person that is learning all these things, when you start doing them one by, you can see that they are very, very simple to what to actually use. No, let's say some of them not get time, and now I can't really just be there for you for for like everything. I can't be there. That's just the only thing. I can't be there. For me, I still get my own challenges, right? So just understand me sometimes. So you can see now this is now our logo now, but it's like too big. Let me even go and change it to something. And let me go to my, you see now, look at what I'm going to do now. I will change the sizes now, okay? So this is it here. I will change the size now. Just watch me now. So I will open it up here and I will go to my edit and edit it to something. Some of you that know how to do graphics here, I think you actually know better. So let me go to my paint and I'll do what? I'll resize it to what? To this. Change it to maybe 40. Here should also be 40. And then we are good here. See now, it is now what? It is now smallish. In it, it's now smallish. So if I now open it now, it will be smaller. Can you see it here? Let me now go back there to what? To upload now, see why it will not work. Okay, so I can do what? Change image again. Then I'll do what? I will upload it one more time. Upload. Select this one. This is my image here. I'll pick it up. And it will come in here again now. Just watch now, guys. So you see now, this is now our new logo here. You can now pick it to use. So I'll click on it now and it will come in. You see now, say don't small. That is just how it is, man. So we have computers, people that can actually bend computer and tell you what to do for them, and it must what? Obey. Here now is the word is to change the text here. You can say, okay, say Otanwa cookies is nutritious, it's nutritious and nutritious and what? And sumptuous and what? And tasty. Something what? Something nice for your what? For your taste buds. Okay. For your what? For your brunch. Some of you don't know what they call brunch. Oh. So lunch and what? And snacking. Okay, you can call it what? Snacking, what? Snacking night, right? That kind of stuff. So this one is our what? It's a little bit of our what? Of our description now. You can even change it to what? To our own business what? Product. I can put this one here as my what? As my cookies and do what? Now continue. So this one is my what? It's my bakery business. Now I can do what? If I finish, I can now send it out to what? To my customers. So I can now say save and close now. So if I want to send anything later as email campaign, I can just come and do what? Pick that same template and what? And just put, maybe if I wanted to put small discount, I can just say, okay, this is our discount. I can now what? I can now send it out. This is it now. You see now, I can just do what? I can just go and send it out to somebody now. Okay, that is just how this thing here works. So it's not really that difficult. So not that if you all these things here, you see, they're not hard. Then it's our sales inbox here. Your sales inbox is actually where you have your, your messages about your product and the sales and all of that. You can see that we have inbox here, we have draft, and so on and so forth. Say close use faster with what better emails, smart, secure, configurable sales inbox, right? So when they are messaging you about your product, you can see them here. Okay, that's just what this place here means. Then these are our activities now. This one not hard. This one what do they do since now? This one they give us history of all what we've been doing here. All the places that we have been doing, like our subject and all these things here. Okay, so that's just what this place here means. So this one no hard, guys. So contacts, as you are getting your list now, they'll be adding up here as what, as contacts. So I'm going to go into the other part where I will start embedding websites. I'll start embedding chatbots now into my website now. So just pay attention, guys. I want to do that one now. So let me click here. So this is live chat now. Let us try to work on live chat now so you can see them. So I'll go to live chat. See live chat here. I will open it up. I don't know whether they will allow. Can they allow me? Okay, activate it. Confirm and activate. Let's see. Would they allow us? Won't they allow us to put card? Let's see now. Evina Ghana Isagina Zu go 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 go. Okay, I don't think it's working now. But I think I've done this before now for the previous cohort and it worked. So what could happen today that is not working? Okay, I think we are now here. You see now they say configure live chat. Can you see now? So this one now is going to be how our live chat is going to function in our website now. So I think I'm going to go and so I say that to start up your chatbot, you need to be on your what? On your lead section. Then come down to your what? To your chat. You see this our live chat here? You need to be here now. So the next is to click on what? Click on configure live chats and you can now continue from here now. So the next thing that you want to do after clicking on your continue live chat is to set up your what? The outlook of your bot. Now, this is how you want the bot to look like. You see now it's green, like the header of the chat would be what? It will be green. Then also as you're chatting now, your own chat will be what? It will also be green too. Then this one can be for what? For black. Then we have red and yellow. You notice on the more like oil rice and jollof. I mean and jollof beans, right? Then we have white and what? White and this one not orange color. I don't know. I don't like color. I beg. Then we now have what black. Left for me, I will choose what black here and continue because I love my life easy. I don't allow this color now for women, not be for people like me. I don't like color. Then now do what now? You can also okay continue now. Here now you can now name your what? Your bot. You say upload a picture and give it a what? A name. So I can now put something here. I can say, okay, let me put the picture of my what? Of my cookies here. So I can put this my cookies here. Let me even put this one here. Okay. To show that what? That is my what? That is my business logo, right? So I can now put it on, call it what? Otanwa what? Otanwa. Then this is for your what? For your language now. For this your bot. Should it be in English or French or English, anyone. I can do what now? Click on continue when I'm done with that. Now watch here now. What is the purpose of this your bot now? This your bot now. What are you? I mean, what do you want to use it to achieve for your business? Do you want it to be able to get you more leads? You can use that one here. Or do you want it to be able to? Okay, do you want people to be able to like use the word to like book meetings? You can click on this one. You see now they now have time here, dates. Can you now see that one here now? Then what about qualifying of your leads? You can see it here now. So they will now ask your customers some kind of questions that can now help to know whether they are qualified for your product or not. Okay. So whichever way you are going to choose here now, you'll be seeing the output here. So for me now, I think I'm more interested in qualifying my lead and also engaging my customer. So I will use what this one here at the bottom. So I'll do what? Click on what? Create playbook. Okay. So your playbook is more like what? The flow chart now. You know the flow chart now. Okay. So this means that what? As the person coming to the site now, what will happen is that what? That our chatbot will what? Will greet their what? The person say, welcome to our website, right? Now they will now ask the person again, say, what brought you here today? Then the person can answer, okay, I want to buy something, or I'm just browsing, or I want to chat with your sales team. Can you now see this one now? This one is what? Where this whole thing will now start now. Okay, so if the person now says, I want to buy something, then it will now say, okay, that is great. Then you will now say, okay, you will now give the person a what? Another support from the team of staff working with what? Ottawa PLC now. Okay, then they will now say, okay, please, can we have your name? Then the person will now say, okay, this is my name, right? Then the boss will now say, okay, thank you very much. Then can we also know where you are working, like where you work, okay, like maybe your company name. You now say, okay, this is my company name. That's okay. Say, can I please have your email address? So this bot will now be asking you all this question automatically, just as I was able to do it that time on MTL, where they will be asking me, where's my, where's my, my, show this one here now. We'll see this in action now. So just pay attention. That's why I say you should not leave the meeting. Okay. So you now put in the word, your email address now, and then that's okay. You are qualified and so on and so forth. So they'll not tell you that what that somebody will come and chat you later up. Okay. So this is just what this one here does. Then if you say you're just browsing, they know that now maybe they will say, okay, you are not qualified. You will see it here now, right? So you're not qualified. Then here now, because you have actually given them what they need now, they'll say, okay, you are qualified. So they don't do what? They will not save you as what? As a contact inside of Pipedrive. Then here now, if you say you want to chat with your sales team, they'll say, okay, they cannot give you what? They cannot take you to the live chat. Then you can now also put your email address and then do what? Say, okay, you are qualified. They will not, then they will also do what? Save your what? Your chat. That is just how this whole thing here works. Then on your own part now, you can do what? You can even change what is here. So how do you change it now? If I click here now, you see that what I can put something as okay, maybe welcome to Ottawa website. Okay, maybe I can say welcome to what? To Ottawa what? Ottawa PLC. Right? Then how long should this message will deliver? Because okay, maybe after like 10 seconds, right? But let you leave it as 5 seconds in it. Can I say okay, save now? You see now it is not here as what? As a message. So I can also okay, let me now say I can now come here and ask what I say okay. Uh uh my customer, how I fit help you today? You see now, I can ask okay. This one is now what I want to say. Now, see, they can ask okay, I'm looking to buy, I'm just browsing. So these are the options there. Now I can even add one more here. It's okay. Uh I want to see what? I want to see Egeonu. Egeonu what? LinkedIn. Right? So you can just say that it's I mean I'm not trying to like play. See now? So here now you can see that I now have four options here. Can you see? You see I'm looking to buy, I'm just browsing, I want to chat with your support. Then look at it now. It says what? See here now. You see, I say I want to see Egeonu what? LinkedIn. Can you now see here now? Then I can now come and do what? And change whatever I see here. Maybe I want to save it now. I can also say, okay, maybe I can even add more things. I can say, okay, give me your email address. I can say question can be what? Say, okay, give us your what? Your phone, maybe your WhatsApp number. Your what? Your WhatsApp number. Come down. Your WhatsApp number. So you can see that actually those things that you see online, they are not there. Say this one. They are something that you can actually just let me say capture here, and then they're going to capture what? Maybe no, not that. Let me say live chats. Let me just say question. We want their WhatsApp number. Then they should give it to us here. It shouldn't be an option, right? It should be a what? A kind of response in it. Okay, so that kind of stuff now. So you can just say, okay, maybe question this one, then this one should be what? Maybe yes or no. Okay, just for you to just see that they say no, right? They cannot say okay, save now. So now look at it now. When you now say okay, you want to just see this person, they will now say okay, enter your WhatsApp number. Then when you now supply it now, can I take you to the next point? That is just how this whole thing here is. Okay. So guys, at this point now, I think I now want to go and do what? I now want to go and activate my bot now. So I'll click on what? Save here. Then the next is to what? Is to go and what? Is to go and finish now. Where the playbook? I have to go back to the playbook again because he didn't give me my code. I needed my code from them, right? So they have not given me my code now. So I have to go back and what? And get my code. So this is my tab. I will like open it up again and do what? I used to the installation here. Click here now to what? To select where you want to install it on. So I will say this one is already set up now. So I can say okay, installation now. Then I can now come and say okay, I want it to be a what? A just a normal code. I'll just come here to collect this code now. This is our what? Our widget now to put inside of our website now. So I'll collect this one now. Do what? Click on copy to clipboard. Then go to my website, which is here now. Do what? And plant it here. This is our widget here. So this is our widget. Are you sure I'm still connected? So I will not do what? I will not say, okay, let me enter it here. This is where I'm going to enter. I will select HTML. If you don't have a site, no problem. Maybe with time, you're going to start doing your own site later on. So this is it now. I'll just put it here. I'll do what? Click on update. So now, this site is now what? Is now live for this. So if I now open the site now, what will happen is that what? I can actually see that there is a what? I think there's a stuff. Let me open a page and see. It must work. Open a page here. Let's see. I can't find my bot. What happened to my bot? Who took my bot? I cannot see my bot now. What happened to my bot? Something is wrong with it. Okay, look at it here. Are you seeing it here now? So the thing will work now. It has to wait for what? It has to wait for some 5 seconds to start working, right? So if I give you this whole thing now and say, okay, go and look at it now. You see that I now have, I'm looking to buy, I'm just browsing. You see now, I want to chat with your sales team. You can see that you see, I want to chat with what? I want to see a go on no LinkedIn. Can you see now? So if I say, okay, I'm looking to buy now, they will ask me some kind of question now. Look at it now. You see? It will now reply me automatically now. Can you see? Say that's great to hear. Can I have your name? I will say what? I will say Dr. what? Dr. Otanwa. Okay, Dr. Otanwa what? Otanwa Ezigbo. Okay, then I'll not say okay. I'll not say continue right by pushing this thing here. Then see what will happen next now. You see now, it will not say thank you. So what's your company name? I will say Otanwa PLC. Otanwa what? Say Otanwa PLC what? Limited now. Now watch what will happen. I'll say okay, continue. Then see what will happen now again. It will ask me for my what? For something else now. Watch. You see now, you say, can I please have your email address so that blah blah blah. I can just say, okay, let me say my email is what? Is email at what? At Gmail, right? I can also okay. Continue now. Now see what will happen now. It will take it up now. Just watch. You see now, you say thank you. One of our sales representative will be in touch with you as what as soon as possible. Can you see that now? So if I now go back to my website now, if I go to my Pipedrive now, I can see that my what? My bot actually gave me a what? A small something here now. It's already here. Can you see now? It says what? It says chat with your lead. Can you see now? It's active. Now look at what will happen. Now it say already what qualified is already on my what on my list. So if I open it up now, I can see that something actually came up here. Okay, no, it's not that. I think I have to go to my leading box here. Can you see my leading box here? Let me open it here. Watch now. You see now? This one is what? Is chat now. Can you see now? It's already there. It's a chat now. It's already there. Something actually came in from my what? From my chat now. So if you go to the site now, you can see that that bot is now active. And when you now make any entry, it will what? It will take it up. Can you see it here? This is what I just entered on the what? On the live chat. Now can you see it here? Then when you now come to if you now come to your contact now, that my name has now been what? Has now been entered here as a what? As a contact. So if I go to my contact, where's my contact? You see my contact here now. You can see that my name is already here now as a what? As a person. Can you see Otanwa PLC here? Otanwa Ezigbo. Can you see it here? It's already here. So this has to actually get contact and leads from where? From your website using Pipedrive. Now, if I go to my analytics, now I can actually see what happened on my site. It can show me what happened on my site now. Somebody can actually see that if you came to my site, now it will show here. You see my chatbot, you see my what? My dashboard. If you came here to my site, it should be able to show from here. I think maybe it's not ready, but something like that should have been here. So this is just how it works, guys. So it's not really that difficult. Then if you even come to your products here, I think I actually did how to create products here. That one is not difficult. That one a child's play, no be. You see, that one is not hard. Just click on products and then enter the product name. Maybe if you're selling, maybe for instance, if you are selling hair, you can say okay, Brazilian what? Nigerian hair, right? That kind. I don't know whether na Nigerian hair. So you can not say okay. You can put a code there. Anything can be your code there. Then what's your category is what? Is what? Is beauty in it. Yes, it's your beauty. Then your unit is what? You can call it anything there. Then this one is could be a what? It's a one-time purchase. How much is it now? Say 250K, right? And then tax is what? 7.5% in it. We are Nigerians now, so we should know that one by default. So we can do what now? Click on save now. That's how to create a what? A product. Is it hard? It's not hard now. So let me show you what the leads now is like. So if I come to my web visitors now, I can see something here. Let me see if it should show me something now. Okay, I think I did not actually activate it one, but because you're actually asking for money here, so that's why I did not actually activate it, right? So this is just how this whole thing is here work, guys. So it's not really that say it did difficult this and that. Then this one is your form. Form not hard now. We know how to create form. Okay, so if I want to create a form, I will click on this form here. Look at it now. So what kind of form do you want to create? Is it a contact us form? I've been a registration form. Okay, so you're going to use your form based on what you want to do. If you want to tell them, maybe if you want people to be able to maybe say buy something or maybe to start paying for something, you can do what? Start by registration form. Then if you want them to be able to contact, you can use what? Contact us form. and so on and so forth. Let me see whether anybody. So to get a website that you can actually use to practice, you do what? You need to go to your blogspot.com. See it now, blogspot.com. You can just get a quick one here. So you are going to open this website now and start there to create your own website here. Okay, it's not website creation is not hard again. Now those days, nothing they had not be these days again. These days now, everybody is now claiming Gen Z, so it's very very simple now. So are you seeing now this is what website creator or blogger.what.com. So you can do what now? Sign in now. Now Google actually owns this platform, okay? So so don't think that this me that get it, not me get them. Na go na get them. No be your time one get them. Me no go think because now they get money. Because some of you are feeling like if I go and do this one, you start making money. I want you to say your this go fit give person self. Or I want you to say your this go fit give person. So now look at it now. I'm now here now. So you select your what account to create your account with. Okay. So I'll select this one here, and I can now what? I can now click on it to continue now. I think my network is a bit slow now. Now, the first step is to what? Is to they say choose your word. They say what? Choose a name for your word for your blog. You can just call it what? You can just call it what? A testing ground. Let's say a testing what? A testing ground. Okay. You can also okay next now. Can you see next? Click on next here now. Then what do you now want to call it now? That can be your name. You can say okay. Say Otomokpo what? Otomokpo Moses at what? .this.com. So you can see that here now it's saying that it's what? That is available. Can you see it here? I think it's a bit faint. It's actually available. You can do what now? Click on next here. Then here can be what now? Can be my what? My testing ground. Okay. Then after that you cannot do okay. Finish. Your site is what? It's ready. Just click here to say what that you are done with the creation, and then your site will be what? It will be ready. Come on now, no, they do younger for me. Just stop doing younger for me, okay? I'm done. Say, how do you want your blah 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 to be displayed? I can just say, let me just go back and remove one part and come and say finish. Okay, my network don't come out again. It is. You see, now it's saying processing here, but it's just the process. Okay, it don't work now. So this is now your what? This is now your website now. It's now ready like this now. Okay, so we know we are trying to actually practicalize things here. What's here happen? Why is it not? Okay, let's go here and say home settings here. So this is now our website now. So if I try to visit this, I think it should be able to work. It should be able to work. Let me look at it now. I will select this one now. You see that our site is what? It's actually live now. So if I click here now, I should be able to see the site live and active. You see our site here? So this is now our site. So if I wanted to do anything, I will do what? I will simply copy down my code now. If you want to paste it on your site, what do? You see where they say layout here? This is your layout now. Click on the layout. And from here, they can now paste what you copy from where? From Pipedrive. So the person that was asking me about testing what they did, no worry. This is Otanwa. I have over 10 years of experience in all these things, so I know what to do. I know how to manipulate it. So don't just think that we are playing here, okay? So do what now? You see now we are now in the layout of the site now. So you can actually add a lot of things here. You can even add other codes here. Okay, so I'll do what? I'll click on this add a gadget here, and yes. Then as it now open, I'll do what? Come to this add the gadget and select what? HTML slash what? JavaScript here. So click here and do what? You see where they say configure HTML here? Come to the content here and do what? And paste what you copied. Now can you see it now? I pasted it now. So I cannot do what? I cannot say okay, save now. Now the moment you save it now, what do? Go to your front now and do what? And refresh this page again and see. Then will it work or not? It must work because you must what? Wait for what? For some 5 seconds here. So can you see that our stuff is here? It's already here now. Is it hard? So should be work abi no work? Should be work abi? It work? To build a form, you can do what? You can come and select what you want to do here. If you want to build a form for maybe for registration, you can select the registration here. You can now do what? You can also okay, create form here at the bottom. Then from then I can also okay, of course you now want to take that you want to like know what they are looking for, right? So this is your introduction here. You can even edit it a little bit and say okay, help us respond to this form with what? With honest input in it. You can now say what? Save now. See now the thing came here now, right? This is the title of the what of the form is here as what as registration form. Let me call it registration form. Okay, save now. Then this is person's name, person's email address, person's phone number, company name, and then these are submit button. But then I still want other things here. Maybe I want to add something. You see now, if you want to add anything, do what? Click on this plus here to add something. And say, okay, maybe I want to add something like maybe the village name, and say, okay, name of what? Name of village, right? You cannot do what? Cannot say, okay, maybe you can say required. Then of course now this one can be what? Can be a what? I don't know. Just leave it aside and do what? Put message here. Can I say, okay, do what? Can click on save now. And that is just how this one can be. Like when you're done, you do what? Click on save here. And that is your form. Your form link cannot be what? Can be gotten from here. Can you see share here? See share and embed. If you click on share and embed, you cannot do what? You cannot copy the link now. Or you can simply do what? You can simply just copy the link from here. See that you see there's a link here now, Abby. If I copy this link now, paste it here, I can actually view the form on another tab. Let me view it here now. This is my form here. It will be open. See my form? This is my form now, right? This is my form. You can say what? By Pipedrive in it. That is it now. So this is just how this thing here works. Then if you want to put it inside the website, you can do what? Come down to the bottom here and do what? Click here and select what? To copy this code here now, right? So I can copy it up and do what? Go to my website and do what? And embed it now. Let me go to a page here. I'll create a page. Create a new page here and call it what? And call it form page. I can call it form page. Form page. I can now come and do what? I can change to this page and paste it here. Shiki now. My form is ready now. So I'll do what? I'll click on publish now. Is it publishing? Yes. If I check it now, what will I see? I will see my form is where is there what? Is there an active? Can you see my form is here? Watch now. You see my form? This is my form here. Is it not cute? You can even fill it up by what putting my name and all of that. But then this thing is not read. Okay, my name is what is Doctor what Doctor Philip. Okay, what is the other one here? The other one should be what email. You can call it whatever you like. Maybe say Philip at email. Philip at email, right? .com. Then here can be what? Here can be your what? Your phone. This one can be anything. Maybe 08 whatever, and you are good. Here can be your what? Your company. Of course, it's what? It's Jigidai Ministry. Jigidai what? Ministry. And then do what? Click on submit. The phone will go away. Okay, they say confirm the cars here. This is a car, that's a car, this is a car. And then I think that is enough. So what thing they hard for inside, my guys? Is it hard? It's not hard. No, they fear all these things, okay? So far say you get time and you can sit down and learn them. It's not difficult. No, they fear them. Okay? It's not hard. So you can do what now? Verify them and then your form will be what? It will be sent. So if I go to my Pipedrive now, I should be able to see my form there in it. So if I go to my leads now, that thing should be there as what? As my lead. So look at it now. Let me show you my what now? Let me show you my contacts. Okay, contact. So this thing actually is not that difficult. You people should stop being scared of all these things. Okay, see now, you see Dr. Philip here? He's here now. Is that not so fast? Jigida Ministry, Abi. Then this is email address. Then so on and so forth. So it's not really that difficult, my guys. Maybe people should stop being scared of all these things. They are not difficult.